Hey, Daniel Parsons here. I'm really excited to share this Regena Slim Skinny Body Shake product with you. This is a complete protein meal replacement. It'll satisfy you for at least 6 hours. It does me. Um, and the thing I really want to point out about why this is different than what you could go on Amazon to buy, you're getting 30 servings. This thing, when you unseal it, is powder packed up all the way to the top. And I also want to tell you about what's not in here. There's no additives, there's no fillers, it's all organic, it's non-GMO. And here's the other thing. If you refer this to other people, you can actually create an income stream. So why buy from the huge conglomerate businesses and you're not getting as high a quality product when you can actually have a little entrepreneurial side business by buying this really healthy meal replacement product? I highly recommend it. You can find out the ingredients on my website, danielparsonsministry.com. And I have a skinny body shake page on the menu, and it's very easy to find. And I tell you what, you're getting the nutrition your body needs, and you'll feel good. Bye bye.